Welcome to the video on Mastering Production-Grade Deep Learning with PyTorch. This is an intermediate-level course consisting of 30 lessons, focused on building real-world applications in computer vision, NLP, and generative AI. While most courses focus purely on syntax, modern developers need production skills. Many tutorials lead to dead ends with toy examples that don't scale. Our course moves beyond surface-level coverage to give you the skills companies actually need. Staying in tutorial mode can cost you senior roles and premium salaries. By gaining production skills, you can build deployable systems, land senior AI engineering roles, lead initiatives, and command better compensation. Stop watching tutorials and start building production systems today. The AI Models Deep Learning Intermediate Edition guides you from NumPy to PyTorch, building 30 production-grade applications. You will create 30 hands-on Streamlit apps, achieve PyTorch mastery, work across 4 real domains, and master the full deployment pipeline to ship to production. This course is primarily designed for software engineers and developers with foundational machine learning knowledge. It is also perfect for data engineers, product managers, DevOps engineers, technical architects, and QA/SRE engineers involved in the ML lifecycle. You'll build 30 production projects for your portfolio, including a vision pipeline capstone covering the complete image recognition lifecycle, a transfer learning studio, a Seq2Seq Translator, a GAN Painter, and an auto-tuner using Bayesian optimization. Learn through a hands-on approach from day one by building working applications. You will master production patterns, tackle real-world scenarios like debugging and optimizing bottlenecks, and cover the complete end-to-end deployment lifecycle. The complete learning path is structured into 6 sections across 30 lessons. These cover PyTorch Fundamentals, computer vision, sequence and NLP, training science, generative AI, and finally, production and XAI, including ONNX survey. The complete learning package includes 30 hands-on projects, complete PyTorch source code, Streamlit application templates, and lifetime access to all materials and future updates. You also receive career guidance, a certificate of completion, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Start building production systems today with the AI Models Deep Learning Intermediate Edition. You can enroll monthly for $30 or save 33% with the annual subscription for $99. Visit the link below to enroll now. Join the SystemDR community for production-ready skills for modern developers. Visit www.systemdrd.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to email sdr@systemdrd.com. Start your deep learning journey today.